Are you looking for the best cheap Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the best cheap Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Teeggi SG909 Max GPS Drone. The Teeggi SG909 Max GPS drone with 4K camera, 6km touchscreen remote control professional drone, 360-degree obstacle avoidance foldable remote control quadcopter opens a new world for anyone who wants to capture life from above. Many people try to preserve moments with ordinary devices, yet those memories often fail to show the real feeling behind the scene. This drone creates a different experience, making every flight feel alive and full of emotion. As it rises smoothly into the sky, ordinary landscapes transform into something vibrant and meaningful. Colors appear brighter, details become sharper, and the world below feels like a story waiting to be explored. Customers who want their moments to feel special often look for a device that allows them to capture experiences naturally and confidently. This drone fulfills that need, giving users the freedom to discover new perspectives while enjoying complete control. Those who love adventure will find themselves drawn to the calm and steady motion that turns flying into a joyful experience. Even beginners feel guided, as if the drone itself helps them find the perfect angle to see beauty in places they might have overlooked. Each flight becomes a peaceful escape, providing space to appreciate the environment from a fresh viewpoint. Sharing these captured memories brings happiness because every frame conveys real emotion rather than just visuals. The Teeggi drone becomes more than technology, it becomes a companion that transforms ordinary moments into lasting memories, making every flight feel meaningful and unforgettable. Number 2. New L106-1 PRO GPS Drone. The new L106-1 PRO GPS Drone 8K high-definition dual-camera 360-degree obstacle avoidance remote control with screen brushless quadcopter offers a unique experience for anyone who dreams of seeing the world from above. Many people try to capture their precious moments with ordinary devices, yet those memories often feel incomplete and fail to reflect the true emotion of the scene. This drone turns every flight into an extraordinary journey, transforming familiar views into moments full of meaning. As it lifts into the sky, landscapes begin to appear vivid and alive. Every color feels brighter, every detail more distinct, and the surroundings seem to tell a story waiting to be explored. Customers who want their experiences to feel special often seek devices that are easy to use yet allow creativity to flow naturally. This drone delivers that experience, giving users confidence while capturing visuals that feel personal and unforgettable. Those who enjoy exploration will feel a quiet excitement as the drone glides effortlessly through the air. Even beginners feel guided, as if the drone itself shows the best angles to uncover hidden beauty. Each flight becomes a calming escape, providing space to notice the environment and appreciate details often overlooked. Sharing these captured moments brings joy because each frame conveys real emotion rather than just imagery. The new L106-1 PRO drone becomes more than technology, it becomes a companion that turns ordinary moments into lasting memories, making every flight meaningful and leaving an impression that stays in the heart long after it lands. Number 3. AE60 GPS Drone. The AE60 GPS Drone professional 8K camera 3-axis gimbal aerial FPV brush avoiding obstacle remote control quadcopter touchscreen airdrop drones invites people to rediscover their surroundings in a way that feels deeply personal. Many individuals try capturing moments with ordinary devices, yet the results often fail to reflect the real feeling of the moment. This drone brings a new sense of wonder, making every flight feel like a gentle escape from the usual routine. As the drone rises, the view below transforms into something meaningful. The colors look clearer, the movement feels smoother, and the entire scene carries an emotional depth that touches the heart. Customers searching for a tool that elevates their memories often want something reliable yet inspiring. This drone gives them that quiet confidence, allowing them to express their story from a higher place. People who love holding on to special moments will notice how this drone turns simple hours into treasured memories. It gives users the courage to explore without hesitation, creating a friendly experience even for beginners. The more it moves, the more it encourages creativity, letting anyone shape their own visual journey without pressure. Sharing these captured scenes becomes a source of joy because the images feel genuine and full of life. Every frame reflects emotion rather than just a view. The AE60 drone becomes a companion that helps people see beauty in places they overlooked before, turning ordinary surroundings into something extraordinary. It inspires a deep connection with every moment, making each flight feel like an unforgettable experience worth returning to again and again. Number 4. Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone. The Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone 8K Professional FPV Brushless Laser Obstacle Avoidance Aerial Optical Foldable Quadcopter Mini 4K drone brings a sense of wonder that captures attention from the first moment it rises into the sky. Many people try to save their memories using devices that fail to show the true feeling behind a scene. This drone offers a different kind of experience, one that turns ordinary surroundings into meaningful stories. As the drone moves above the landscape, the view begins to feel more alive. Colors appear more natural, distant places seem closer, and every frame carries a touch of emotion. Customers who want their moments to feel precious often search for something that helps them express their memories with clarity and ease. This drone gently supports that desire, allowing anyone to explore without fear. Those who love discovering new perspectives will enjoy how smoothly this drone moves, creating a sense of calm while capturing the world from above. Even beginners feel guided, as if the sky itself is leading them toward new experiences. Each flight becomes a peaceful escape, helping the mind relax while the world unfolds from a higher viewpoint. Sharing these scenes with loved ones adds an extra layer of happiness because every captured moment feels honest and full of life. The Xiaomi drone becomes more than a simple flying device, it becomes a partner that helps people notice the beauty they often overlook. It transforms simple places into unforgettable memories, making every flight feel like a journey worth remembering long after it ends. Number 5. JCMO L600-1 PRO 4K Camera Drone. The JCMO L600-1 PRO 4K Camera Drone Professional High-Definition Dual-Camera GPS Intelligent Positioning Brushless Motor LCD Remote Quadcopter brings a new sense of freedom for anyone who wants to capture the world from above. Many people try to preserve moments using ordinary devices, yet those memories often fail to reflect the real feeling of the scene. This drone creates an experience that makes every flight emotional, turning simple surroundings into something extraordinary. When the drone rises into the air, ordinary landscapes begin to look more vibrant. Every color seems alive, every detail becomes noticeable, and the world beneath feels like a story waiting to be explored. Customers who want their memories to feel special look for tools that allow them to express their experiences easily and naturally. This drone fulfills that need, helping users feel confident while capturing moments that feel personal and meaningful. Those who enjoy adventure will appreciate the calm yet smooth movement that makes every flight enjoyable. Beginners feel supported as if the drone itself guides them to the perfect perspective, encouraging exploration without stress. Each journey becomes a peaceful escape that allows the mind to relax and notice beauty in places that are often overlooked. Sharing these captured memories with friends or family brings happiness because each frame conveys real emotion rather than just a picture. The JCMO drone becomes more than a flying device, it becomes a companion that helps people treasure the beauty around them. Every flight turns everyday moments into lasting memories that stay in the heart long after the journey ends.